Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your language back to English in Google Chrome, for example, if you accidentally changed your language to another language than English. So let me show you how to switch back to English really quickly. It is actually super simple, guys. What you want to do is launch Google Chrome, of course, and access your browser settings by clicking on these three dots here in the top right. After that, click on settings here on that menu, and here inside your browser settings, head over to languages here on the left hand side. And here you will see a list of your preferred languages. So you may customize this list. For example, guys, if you don't see English on number or on rank number 1, you may simply click on these three dots to the right and move English up to rank number 1. Also, guys, what you want to do is make sure that you select this option here, display Chrome in this language, if you haven't done that yet. So for example, if another language is your default language on Chrome, you will see that option for English here. So simply make sure that you select or check this box. And after that, Google Chrome will ask you to relaunch it. And after that, your Google Chrome web browser will be displayed in English again as your default language. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.